Hi friends, I'm Grishma and welcome to G Tutorial. Today's class is on mirror images from the topic General Intelligence for the RRB NTPC exam, which will be happen most probably in the next month. So let us move on to our portion. First let us see what is meant by mirror images. If you are placing an object in front of a mirror, the image of that object is called mirror image. And this mirror image are based on the principle of lateral inversion. That is, the size of image will always be equal to the size of object, and whatever is on the right side of the object will be on the left side in the case of image. We are clear with this because if you are facing a mirror, if you are raising our right hand, you can see that it will appear as our left hand in the mirror. Similarly, if you are raising our left hand, it will appear as our right hand in the mirror. Similar is the case with the problems in this topic. First, let us see the case of alphabets that we are commonly using. We know that there are 26 alphabets in English, and let us have a closer look at the mirror image of these alphabets. Some alphabets have the mirror images identical to itself. Such alphabets are A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X and Y. And the other alphabets have mirror images as follows. Next is mirror images of small letters. The mirror image of small letters will appear like this. That is, whatever is on the right side will appear as left, and whatever on the left will appear as right. If you are visualizing this, the problem from this will be very easy. Just visualization is very important in this kind of problems. You just need to think whatever is on the right will appear as left, and whatever on the left will appear as right. Next is the mirror image of numbers. Okay, now we can move on to the problems. This is the first problem. Suppose xy is a line that denotes the position of mirror, and the mirror is placed in front of the object. In this case, in the case of object, let us consider the left side of the object and right side of the object. In the right side of the object, plus and a smaller circle appears. So, what I have mentioned before, whatever is on the right will appear as left in the case of image. So, checking the options, the plus and circle appearing at the right side is options A and C. So, one among this is the answer. Now, we can check the rest portion, that is the left side of the image, that is larger circle and a triangle. In both options it is present on the right side, and then in the case of question figure, circle is on the top. So, circle will also be on the top of the image figure, but it will be on the right side. The question it is on the left, so the answer it will be right. So, the correct option is option C. I think you are clear with the problem. We can move on to the next question. This is the second question. Here also the mirror is in front of the object. Here we can see a vertical strip. Let us consider it first. This vertical strip is from lower left to right toe. So, in the answer figure it will be inverted, that is left side become right and right become left. So, the vertical strip is from right bottom to left toe. B, C and D is a possible choice. Again, in the question figure, a smaller strip bulges out of the circle from the toe. So, in the answer figure, only B follows this, and D and C, the topper edge of this vertical strip that is rising out of the circle is larger in length. So, we can eliminate that two options. So, it is this problem is very easy. Just looking at that, we can find to a conclusion. So, B is the answer. Next question. In this question, the mirror is on the top of the object. So, we can face this problem by considering that we are facing west, and this question is in front of us. So, now we can consider what is on our right is will appear as our left in the case of image. So, consider this question as if we are facing west and the question is in front of us. Okay. So, in this case, consider the triangle which is within this figure. So, the base of the triangle is on our left, and so in the answer figure it will be on our right. The only possible choice is option B. So, we will get the answer. Similarly, the next question. In this question, the mirror is on the bottom of the figure. So, we have to face this question as if we are facing east and the question is in front of us. Then check the figure within this box is in the shape of a tuning fork, and the tail of the tuning fork is facing right. It is on the right side. So, in the answer figure, the tail will be on the left side. So, the answer is only option D. It is also very easy. Next question. This is the next question. In this question, the figure is on the back side of this object. The mirror is on the back side of the object. The tail of this circle is towards the left side, and in the answer figure, that is image will be on the right side. So, in every option it is on the right. Now, let us consider the fish within this circle. The mouth of the fish is pointing towards the left. So, in the answer figure it will be on the right. So, option B and C follow this. Next, we can see a knife like image, and the handle of the knife is facing right toe. So, in the image it will be facing left toe. So, we can say that option C is the correct option. I think you are clear with the problem. Now, we can move on to the next question. This is the next question. We are asked to find the mirror image. It is similar to question 1 and 2. Here there is a triangle. The mirror image of triangle will also be the same triangle itself. Now, there is letters B and L, and the mirror image of letter B will be inverted one. So, options A, C and D follows. Then we have to consider the letters L and L. The inverted form of L is only satisfied in the option D. So, that is the correct answer. Next question. This is the next question. Here we have to consider this question as if we are facing west side and the question figure is in front of us, and then we can say that whatever is on our left is on the right in the image, and whatever is on our right will be on the left. So, letters S and B is on our right. So, in the answer it will be on the left. So, option A, B and D satisfies this. We can eliminate option C. Next, each of these letters will be inverted. That is, whatever is on the right of this, each of this letter will appear as on left and vice versa. So, consider letter L. It will be the vertical portion will be vertical portion itself, but the horizontal portion that is facing down will be as if it will be on T is also inverted. So, option D follows the correct answer. Next question. This is the next question. In this question, mirror is in front of the image and there are numbers within the box. So, each of this number is inverted when it is placed in front of the mirror. and the numbers 2 is on the left side, so it will appear as 2 on the right side. So option A, C and B satisfies this. We can eliminate B because numbers are not inverted, so B and D is eliminated. Next, each number is inverted, but in the option A 7 is not inverted, so it is also eliminated. So the correct option is answer option C. So with this we have come to the end of the portion, mirror images. Now let us see some general facts. First, let us see some important appointments, that is recently appointed governors of states. First is Telangana. Tamilisai Soundararajan is appointed as the governor of Telangana. Kalraj Mishra is appointed as the governor of Rajasthan. Bandaru Dattatreya is appointed as the governor of Himachal Pradesh. Arif Muhammad Khan is appointed as the governor of Kerala, and Bhagat Singh Koshyari as the governor of Maharashtra. Telangana's governors Tamilisai Soundararajan, Rajasthan Kalraj Mishra, Himachal Pradesh Bandaru Dattatreya, Kerala Arif Muhammad Khan, Maharashtra Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Next, we can see some international border lines. 17th parallel line is a border line between North Vietnam and South Vietnam, and 24th parallel line is considered as, Pakistan claims it to be the boundary between India and Pakistan, but actually Radcliffe line is a boundary between India and Pakistan, but Pakistan claims that 24th parallel line is the boundary line. Next is 49th parallel line. It is the boundary line between USA and Canada, 49th parallel line. And 38th parallel line is a boundary between North Korea and South Korea. Next is some important national parks and the rare species found in these national parks. First is Manas National Park. It is in the state of Assam, and the rare species conserved here is elephant, tiger and panther. Next is Kashiranga National Park. It is also in Assam, and the rare species here found here is one-horned rhinoceros. Next is Kabul Lamjao National Park. It is the only floating national park. It is in the state of Manipur, and the rare species found here are tiger, panther, gaur, cheetah and sangai. Next is Gir National Park. It is in the state of Gujarat, and the major species conserved here is lions. The other animals are tiger, panther, gaur. Next is Maru National Park. It is in Rajasthan, and the species found here are tiger, panther, gaur and leopard. So, two important national parks in the state of Assam are Manas and Kashiranga. Gir is in Gujarat, Maru Sanctuary is in Rajasthan, and Kabul Lamjao National Park is in Manipur. It is the only floating national park. With this, we come to the end of this class. If you are having any doubt, please comment below. Thank you.